part of the process. Jump on!
Hi, my name is Equasia. Welcome to my first YouTube video. So I've been talking about doing a YouTube channel for a while now and decorating my apartment. I realized that I really love interior design and interior decor. So this video will serve as part one to my very first room transformation. We're going to be showing you how to build your own headboard. Sweet. First, we took a trip to Home Depot where we picked up all of our supplies. I'll show the supplies in the next clip, but I'll also list them down below in the description box. So right now, in order to build our own headboard for a queen size bed, we have we have 8 pieces of wood. We have a sander. We have this to put on the sander. We have some screws, a drill, some gloves, and a ruler just to make sure everything is straight and at 90-degree angles. Let's get started. Before putting everything together, we first sanded every piece to make sure we had smooth surfaces to work with. Because we had the wood cut, we also focused on the corners to make sure there weren't any splinters or anything dangling. The bed frame setup, so we're looking at it from the back, so these two will serve, this one right here and this one right here will serve as the legs, and then we have 5 of these pieces, these longer ones, that will serve as the headboard itself. The ruler helps to make sure that everything is straight before we start drilling the screws into the pieces. In order to attach the back of the headboard to the legs, we first went in with a drill bit smaller than the screw to pre-drill 1 hole at the top of the wood piece and 1 hole at the bottom of the wood piece. Know the price 'cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while. And then we went in with the screw and a drill bit that fit the screw, and we used that to attach the back of the headboard to the leg. And we repeated that for the other leg. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. Wait, what do I do? So you first start with the start with the smaller one. Twist that thing.
Do that. Edit that out. Or else.
I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. Yeah. 10%. Sammy, get in there. This is so cute.
Wow.
We built a freaking headboard.
Did it.
Then to get my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you.
Didn't want to leave the headboard in its natural wood tone, so we went in with some white spray paint. You could also just use regular white paint or any other colored paint, but this is what we had on hand. Here's the completed headboard. Again, I'll leave the exact measurements and supplies in the description box below, and this is for a queen size bed. We just put the legs in the bed frame, but you can also use clips or screws to attach to the wall for additional support. Thank you for watching. Be on the lookout for part 2, where we're going to take you on our shopping spree. You'll also see us decorate the space. Done.